What if I told you there's a superfood that can lower cholesterol, improve digestion, balance hormones, and even reduce your cancer risk, all for less than 50 cents a day? It's not a pricey supplement or a trendy exotic berry. It's ground flaxseed, a humble powerhouse hiding on grocery store shelves in plain sight. Today, I'll reveal the science-backed benefits of flaxseed, why Harvard calls it one of the most powerful plant foods on the planet, and the crucial mistake most people make that could mean you're getting zero benefits. Stick around. What you learn in the next 10 minutes could add years to your life. Hey, health seekers. Welcome back. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you will never miss our weekly evidence-based health tips. This channel is growing fast. I want you to get the most out of every video. Today's topic, flax seeds, specifically ground flaxseed. I'll share the top 7 proven health benefits, plus the number 1 mistake that could sabotage your results. Let's get started. Flax seeds, or linseeds, come from one of the oldest cultivated crops in history. Ancient Egyptians and Chinese used flax for both nutrition and linen. These tiny brown or golden seeds are nutritional powerhouses. Just 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed contains 1.8 grams of plant-based omega-3s, 2 grams dietary fiber, soluble and insoluble, 1.3 grams of protein, B1, magnesium, phosphorus. But the real star? Lignans flax seeds have up to 800x more than any other plant food, offering potent antioxidant and hormone balancing effects. But here's the catch. Should you buy whole or ground flaxseed? This is where most people go wrong. Eating whole flax seeds? You're likely missing out. Our bodies can't break down the hard shell, so entire seeds pass through undigested, meaning you get none of the omega-3s, fiber, or lignans. Dr. Elizabeth Mayer Davis, chair of nutrition at UNC, says, unless the shell is broken, flax seeds' nutrients remain inaccessible. Always choose ground flaxseed, aka flaxseed meal. Grinding unlocks the nutrients so your body can absorb them. If you've sprinkled whole seeds on your food, don't worry, this is an easy fix. Flaxseed is a heart health superstar. A study in hypertension found that just 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed daily lowered blood pressure as much as some medications. How? Omega-3s reduce inflammation and improve cholesterol. Soluble fiber binds cholesterol, preventing absorption. Lignans reduce artery plaque buildup. A meta-analysis of 28 studies found flaxseed lowered total cholesterol by 7% and LDL, bad cholesterol, by nearly 10%. Even a 1% drop in cholesterol cuts heart disease risk by 2 to 3%. Are you or a loved one focused on heart health? Share your experience in the comments. Flaxseed is a digestive health hero. Ground flaxseed's unique fiber blend relieves constipation, supports regularity, and feeds your gut microbiome. Soluble fiber forms a gel, slowing digestion and stabilizing blood sugar. Insoluble fiber adds bulk, speeding up transit and preventing constipation. A Journal of Nutrition study found flaxseed increased bowel movements by 30% in those with chronic constipation. It also eases IBS symptoms and nourishes beneficial gut bacteria. Dr. Robin Chuckin calls flaxseed one of the most effective foods for a healthy microbiome. Like many clients, I have seen dramatic improvements in my digestion. Flaxseed balances hormones and may protect against cancer. Lignans have mild estrogenic effects, helping balance hormones. This is especially helpful for women with PMS or menopause symptoms. One study found that 40 grams of flaxseed daily reduced hot flashes by 50%. Flaxseed lignans may also lower the risk of breast, prostate, and colon cancers by blocking hormone-related tumor growth and reducing tumor blood vessel formation. A University of Toronto study found that women who ate flaxseed had a 42% lower risk of breast cancer. Flaxseed isn't a cure, but a powerful addition to a cancer-preventive lifestyle. Flaxseed supports weight loss, skin health, and blood sugar control. Weight management. Fiber and healthy fats keep you full, reducing cravings and calorie intake. A Journal of Nutrition study found flaxseed increased satiety and weight loss. Skin health. Omega-3s reduce inflammation and boost skin hydration. Blood sugar. Soluble fiber slows sugar absorption, preventing spikes and crashes. Flaxseed improves insulin sensitivity and lowers post-meal blood sugar by up to 28%. Perfect for anyone managing diabetes or looking for natural weight loss support. How to use flax seeds. Aim for 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed daily. Buy pre-ground or grind your own. Small batches, store in the fridge or freezer to prevent rancidity. Easy ways to add flaxseed. Stir into yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies. Use as an egg substitute in baking. 1 tablespoon flax plus 3 tablespoons water equals 1 egg. Mix into granola or energy bars. Sprinkle on salads or soups. Add to bread or muffin recipes. Start slow, 1 teaspoon, and increase gradually. Drink plenty of water. Consult your doctor first if you're on blood thinners or pregnant. Ground flaxseed is one of the most affordable, accessible superfoods. For less than 50 cents a day, it offers heart, digestive, hormone, and cancer protective benefits. Always use ground flaxseed for maximum absorption. 1 to 2 tablespoons daily is ideal. Store in the fridge or freezer. Start slow and stay hydrated. Small, consistent changes like adding flaxseed can significantly impact your health. Have you tried flaxseed? What benefits have you noticed? Drop your experience or questions in the comments. I read and reply to as many as possible. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and share with a friend who wants better health. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more science-backed wellness tips. Thanks for watching. Remember, small changes can lead to significant results. I'll see you in the following video.